Hi, everybody. I think is it afternoon? It is afternoon. It's not good morning. It's good afternoon. Mary did a video this morning. Good job, Mary. Those muffins look really good. This is what I was going to make this morning, but when I called Mary early and she told me like yesterday she thought she was going to cook today, but anyway, I called her this morning. She said, yeah, she was going to cook. So just went ahead and fixed this for lunch and a little pan of hot cornbread and thought I would just come on here and show y'all what I'm having for lunch. Now, when I say lunch, that doesn't mean that I'm going to cook a big supper because I'm not. This will be my main meal of the day. And I love these little bits and pieces of cornbread. Do y'all like to eat the little pieces that fall off? Always butter me a piece as soon as it comes out of the oven. And I'm going to put a little bit of cornbread in here with these. Now, I've made these before on here, but this has got smoked sausage, purple onion, red bell pepper, kidney beans, and rice, and V8 juice. And that's what we use to make these with. And I like to put rice in crumble up my cornbread in mine. So I was hungry since I didn't eat any breakfast. So I said, I'm going to go ahead and fix me a bowl and eat, and thought I might want to show y'all. So what is your main meal of the day? Do you fix, for working people, it's probably the evening meal. And that used to be the main meal of the day that I would fix. But since, the working years are past, well, supposedly we still work, but you know what I mean, punching a clock type of job. I like to eat early, and it's not always this early, but I do like to eat before late, and then I can eat a snack or something later in the afternoon if I'm hungry. But we usually have enough leftovers for at least, another bowl each if we want to fix something later that evening or either have it for lunch the next day. So I just thought I'd show y'all what I'm eating for lunch. I hope y'all have got something good cooked. Maybe making some of those muffins that Mary made this morning, pan of cornbread. I might even eat some milk with cornbread today or tomorrow. I like to do that with leftover cornbread too. So I hope y'all have a really good day. I'm not real sure what our schedule's going to be this week, but we're going to be popping on here from time to time, either on the piano, in the kitchen, or out or something. So thank you very much for joining me. Fix you something good for lunch, and enjoy your day. Bye-bye.